Hello to all of our Orlando Harley Davidson friends and family. We understand that at this time you're doing a lot of your shopping and browsing in the comfort of your own home. And because of that, we wanted to bring you a brand new, fresh, improved Orlando Harley Davidson website. So you're going to go to orlandoharley.com. And if you haven't already, you'll see that it is a much easier navigation. It has a much more user-friendly experience. So once you go to orlandoharley.com, whether it be from your mobile device or from a desktop, you're going to be able to browse new and pre-owned motorcycles. You can get approved through finance directly from your mobile device or desktop. You can shop our departments. You'll be able to see all of the promotions that we have going on. When we do resume our events, you'll be able to see a full event calendar and learn a little bit more about us and our story as a dealership group. If you go to new motorcycles, so you'll see the new motorcycle drop down, and you click on all inventory, you'll see in the drop down, you'll see all inventory, and then it's broken down by dealership, get pre-approved, value your trade. We want to make this as easy as possible for you. But if you click on new inventory, it's going to show you all of the new inventory that we have available for you. And the important things to note here, if you click on get a quote, it's going to take you directly to the right person to be able to talk about a specific motorcycle. If you click on get financing, you'll be able to fill out a financing application. You can click on details to see more about the motorcycle that you are interested in and be able to see photos and details that outline exact specifications on that bike. Or you can click on contact us and we will then contact you back. There's a search button, so if you click on search inventory, it's very easy to type in a keyword that you're interested in, and all of the bikes that would fall into that category will pop up. You can sort by vehicle type, you can sort by mileage, by model, by estimated monthly payment, by price. There are a lot of different ways that you're going to be able to search that make it just easier for you. If you go to used bikes as a drop down, it's going to do the exact same thing. We do have some manager specials on here that will be rotated out weekly. So you'll see what our manager specials are by dealership, or you can look just as a dealership group in general. If you go to the Get Pre-Approved drop-down, again, that's going to take you to a direct finance application. Fill that out. We'll contact you back, and we'll be able to get you approved from the comfort of your own home. If you click on departments, you'll see that we have a Learn to Ride tab to talk to you a little bit about Riding Academy. We have service, parts, rentals, and then you can also check your rider rewards program. So this is just an easy way for you to find our different departments. Shop Tees is going to take you to our Shop Orlando Harley website, which is a separate website, but it allows you to shop very easily and see the different general merchandise that we have available. Once we do resume our events, you'll be able to see a full event calendar and obviously information about the upcoming Orlando Bike Week for 2021. And if you go to the About Us tab, you'll find our story, the ability to contact us specifically, meet a little bit of our staff and find out about us, see our locations, customer reviews. There are easy buttons on here. You'll see at the top that you can go to directions to our website. You can see our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram channels for each of our different dealerships. If you guys have a chance, make sure that you check out the brand new Orlando Harley Davidson website. It was created with the ability to keep our customers first in mind. So we want to make it very, very easy for you. And it is for that reason that we made this website such an easy to navigate website. So also on the homepage, if you want to take into consideration, we'll have sliders on the homepage, which are those the banners that go across the front of the page. Those are going to show you just very easy clickable links to our new inventory, our pre-owned inventory. If we have any open positions, you'll see buttons right below that with new bikes, used bikes, get pre-approved, learn to ride, and then our upcoming event calendar. If you have any questions further about our website, you're welcome to contact us at any time. Reach out via email. You can call our dealership. The phone number is 407-423-0346. You also, at the bottom of the website, can join our newsletter, and that's an easy way to stay up to date on what we have going on and any promotions or upcoming events that we have going on. You want to make sure that you sign up for our newsletter, and we'll keep you up to date. So again, if you have any questions about the website, just let us know. If not, we hope that you take some time to navigate it. Again, try it from your phone, try it from your tablet, from your desktop computer. It is mobile responsive, so it will allow you the same experience no matter what the device is that you're using. We also have some videos on here that are pretty exceptional. So we hope that you take some time to check us out, and don't let the fact that you might be stuck at home stop you from checking out our inventory. We want to make sure that we're making dreams come true no matter what. And that's why we did this, and that's why we created a brand new website just for you, our customers, and we hope to see you soon.